Our next demonstration will be from Roots to Jungle, lovely place with amazing plants and the best mode gin. It's going to be non-alcoholic as well. So he will show us how to make
herb hydroponics. So this we're going to be doing rocket as the herb, and so with Christmas around the corner, we're going to have lots of these empty gin bottles. Yeah. I'm sure you're going to have lots of spirit bottles. It's really cheap to do. This is really cheap and quite quick. I'll talk you through everything as I go. Move this out of the way. Okay. So the first thing you need to do is this coin is a soil coin. We sell them here, 75 pence. Drop that into water. Done one, prepared one. And it swells up. That's the first thing you need to do. You need 6 to 10 minutes that will take to swell up. It's still swelling in there. Okay, the next thing you need to do is make a wick. So this is just normal macrame cord, just an offcut. Again, recycling, which is all good. Fold it in half, not in the middle. Oh, sorry, cold hands.
Yes.
Not in the middle.
It's freezing.
Put it quite tight.
Yeah.
And that's your wick. So what we'll do is we'll pop the wick inside the lid of our bottle that we've cut. There's many videos on YouTube to show you how to cut a bottle in half. Just poke our wick there. 2 jobs that's going to do is soak the water and nutrients up into our soil coin, and also it's going to block the lecker from falling through the hole. So our bottle, when you cut it, just make sure the end of the lid is a little bit higher than the bottom top here, so that the water can come up the top. Okay, so now we got our soil coin, which is nice and swollen. It has a little packaging around it, which I'll snip so that it can expand more and the roots are going to be able to penetrate it. Okay, so you want the bottom of your soil coin to be touching the knot, because the knot is what of the wick, which will be soaking up the water. And lecker, just around the edges. This, again, we sell all this lecker. We sell little bags of lecker for £3. So far we've used a coin, which is 75p, a gin bottle that's cost nothing, and just, we can buy a bag of lecker from here, just around the edge of the coins. Do that. Just something for the roots to grab to. Okay. And then I'm going to ask my glamorous assistant to hold that while I do the mixture. This stuff here is, there's no nutrients in water. This is just average tap water, no nutrients at all, so no good for the plant. But we sell this nutrient as well. Very cheap again, don't know the exact price. 8 drops will do to a glass of water. You can never have too much, but you can always under nutrient. Okay, so hopefully I'll put the right amount of water in there for our wick to be able to soak it up. For the nutrients. And then seeds. We don't actually sell these seeds, but I think they're a couple of quid at the garden centre.
You can use any seeds.
Yeah, as long as it's nothing. Well, I mean, it's got to be able to grow out of here.
Okay.
You can't, you know, you wouldn't put a tomato tree in it.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
So yeah. Right. This is plenty enough. This will probably do 2 hydroponic bottles.
Oh, that's rocket.
Yeah, rocket. Yeah.
Lovely.
Yeah. So in a few months' time, you'll see me out here.
Oh, wow.
Cheese and rocket sandwich.
Now for a gin rocket salad.
So yeah, just sprinkle that on top of the wet coin. And then within a few days they'll start to facing window, no direct sunlight, and eventually you will have rocket.
Thank
And you
you.
can make your own garden, seasoning garden like that on your window.
Love it. Exactly.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to top up it.
You can even color a bit
Yeah.
the jar,
Yeah.
you know, if you're more artistic.
Yeah.
And yeah, let's be green.
Thank you. Green Friday.
Thank you, Roots to Jungle.
Okay.